Hi, this is Mike Hoseas, member of the ALFRA team, former Toyota executive and co-author of best-selling book, Toyota Culture. Let's grow together, creating a lean culture. At ALFRA Lean Advisors, we are specialists in lean operational excellence with first-hand information on the Toyota way in the various administrative, operational, and executive areas. We have over 1,500 companies as clients of consulting and training, a presence in 9 countries, 3 continents, and 5,000 executives trained in the lean leadership philosophy. From the following industries: automotive, petrochemical, energy, aerospace, services, metalworking, steelworks, plastics, agricultural, textile, banking, education, government, medical, pharmaceutical, food, and beverages. ALFRA has experience with the highest standards in industry on a global scale with the Toyota way. Our clients and friends trust us to improve their performance, learn from our gurus, train their people, and develop their executives with high potential with lean philosophy and leadership. Our team consists of over 20 consultants that were formerly CEOs, VPOs, and COOs, high-level executives at Toyota or other global enterprises. Authors of the bestsellers, The Toyota Way. The consulting team has bachelor's degrees, master's degree, and PhDs from various highly internationally prestigious universities and a vast experience in applications in the field as well as directing companies. Our portfolio of services provides support in manufacturing, logistics, services, human resources, engineering, quality, supply chain, finances, marketing, and costs. In all of our areas of specialization, we focus on the Toyota way and lean leadership, which will lead you and your company to continuous improvement toward all your goals. Let us continue to grow together toward our true north.